The earthworm is an annelid. It is a good example of a soft-bodied invertebrate. At the head end of the earthworm is the mouth, which takes in soil. At the tail end is the anus, for getting rid of waste. About 1/3 of the way back from the head end is a collar-like smooth area called the clitellum. Earthworms are hermaphroditic. Each worm produces both eggs and sperm. During mating, the earthworms exchange sperm. Each worm deposits its partner's sperm and its own eggs into a cocoon produced by the clitellum. Fertilization occurs inside the cocoon. The earthworm body consists of a series of segments. Let's take a look at a cross-section of one segment. The outer layer of the earthworm is a thin cuticle. Protruding through the cuticle at the sides and bottom of each segment are bristles called setae. They provide traction for locomotion. Beneath the cuticle are 2 layers of muscle, an outer layer of circular muscle, and an inner layer of longitudinal muscle. The action of the muscles, together with the setae, allow the earthworm to move easily through the soil. The muscle layers surround a fluid-filled body cavity, or coelom. In most segments, a pair of excretory organs called nephridia open into the coelom. Coelomic fluid is drawn into the nephridia, and wastes are expelled to the outside through nephridopores. The earthworm has a closed circulatory system with blood vessels that run the length of its body. Each segment contains a portion of the dorsal and ventral blood vessels. 5 aortic arches near the front end of the worm serve as hearts, contracting to move blood into ventral blood vessels. The earthworm also has a well-developed nervous system. A nerve cord runs along the worm's underside. In the head, the cord expands to form a small brain. An earthworm literally eats its way through the soil. The pharynx acts as a pump to draw soil into the mouth. This food is stored in the crop, then ground up in the gizzard. From the gizzard, the food passes into and through the intestine, where digestion is completed.